Hey guys, we're working on this 2008 Skidoo 800R beater sled I picked up. It's got a bent upper A-arm on it on one side from the kid hitting a tree, so we're going to replace that in this video. Stay tuned. After you get that nut off, what I did was I warmed up the steering knuckle with one of these mini torches just for a little bit all the way around and gave it one quick whack on the bottom with a hammer. It popped right out. Now we're gonna remove this shock and start getting these A-arm bolts out here so we can get this out. Alright, so I took out this upper shock bolt here and then got the shock out by tipping the whole snowmobile on its side and just pulling this out at the same time. Now all we gotta do is take the A-arm bolts out here, two on the back side, tip it back up probably a little bit, and just slide this A-arm right over your shock. We'll slide the new one over the shock, put the A-arm bolts back in, and the shock bolt, and that's it. Here are the two control arm or A-arm bushings and bolts right here. Oh, there's a washer. We'll have to find out where that goes. As you can see, it's as easy as that. No problems. Let's go take a look at the two A-arms we got here on the bench. Here's our old busted one that we're replacing. This was pretty worn out too. And then here's our new one we got on eBay for a little under 20 bucks. That's a lot firmer. Bushings seem to be in decent shape. And most important, it's not bent. So you can see how much that one was bent in here. So let's get this new one thrown on real quick. Slip the new one in. Tightened up all the bolts. Everything's secure. I don't know the torque specs. I did everything to pretty damn tight, so that's what I'm going with. Installed now, guys. No more bend, no more shock rub.